So hello everyone, this is Mohit Prithani and welcome to our channel Mr. Lazy Tech, and this video is all about this. This is the recently launched Lenovo HT06 True Wireless Earbuds and इसका price approximately 2300 rupees only. So I'll do the unboxing of these earbuds and let's see what do we get inside the box, give you the basic overview and let's see how the sound quality, bass quality and call quality is and whether these earbuds are best at this price range or not. So hope you like this one, and if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Lenovo HT06 True Wireless Earbuds you will be getting once the product is reached to you. And now let us just quickly unbox this thing and let's see what all we get inside this white box. So inside the box they have given a lot of stuff with it, so let us just see one by one what all we get. First of all, you will be getting a user manual. You can just go through it once and see all the instructions and specifications of this particular earbuds. And apart from this one, you will be getting some extra pair of ear cups. You can use it accordingly according to your ear comfort. And you'll be getting a micro USB cable for charging purpose. They have given a type 2 of micro USB cable. You can just charge your earbuds using this one. And now coming to the main earbuds itself, so they have packed this thing. Let us just unwrap this thing and let's see how these are. So this is the Lenovo HT06 charging case. They have given a very unique design over here. I like the particular design and the glossy finish they have given on the earbuds itself. Very good and premium design they have given. And this is the strap they have given. You can just carry it wherever you want according to your convenience, and behind it you will be getting a micro USB port for charging purpose. You can just charge your earbuds case using this one. And जो उन्होंने प्लास्टिक मटेरियल यूज किया है वो ठीक ठाक है, बहुत ही प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का नहीं है, बट दे हैव गिवन अ डिसेंट प्लास्टिक मटेरियल विद दिस वन. And now let us just open the earbuds case, and inside it you will be getting the earbuds itself very nicely packed. Overall, I like the design and shape of the earbuds and the earbuds case as well. Let us just pull out the earbuds now and let's see how these are. So over here they have given us stem sized earbuds and they have given a good quality of earbuds, I must say, considering the price range, और काफ़ी प्रीमियम लगते हैं at this price. और जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि they have used a good plastic material and it comes with touch controls feature as well. You can just play, pause, answer call, reject call, next track, previous track directly through the earbuds itself. That is a good thing. And these are very lightweight earbuds as well. And now coming to the specifications part, you will be getting Bluetooth version 5.0 with this one, and it comes with IPX Live waterproof resistant feature, and it has 6 mm of dynamic drivers, and it also comes with touch control features as well. And you will be getting dual mic for noise cancellation, and it comes with CVC 8th generation of noise cancellation feature as well for better call quality. And you will be getting approximately 4 to 5 hours of playtime on a single charge, and using the charging case you can charge the earbuds 4 times, so total you'll be getting approximately 20 hours of playtime overall, and you can just simply carry your earbuds case wherever you want according to your convenience. So as we can see here, they have given good amount of features considering the price range. And अगर आपने बचपन में एक गेम खेला होगा पैकमैन नाम का, सो बिल्कुल पैकमैन जैसा इसका शेप दिया गया है, डिज़ाइन दिया गया है, ऐसा लगता है सभी अभी सबको ये खा जाएगा. सो वैसा डिज़ाइन दिया गया है, काफ़ी यूनिक डिज़ाइन दिया गया है. एंड जो इसके ईयरबड्स है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे खासे हैं. दे हैव गिवन अ गुड डिज़ाइन, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी लगती है, बट इतना प्रीमियम क्वालिटी भी यूज़ नहीं की प्लास्टिक की. अगर थोड़ा और प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते, क्वालिटी का यूज़ करते प्लास्टिक का, तो बेटर रहता. एंड काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल भी है, सो इट विल नॉट फॉल ऑफ. सो आप इसको वर्कआउट्स के टाइम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, गिरने के चांसेस नहीं है बिल्कुल. एंड टच कंट्रोल्स फीचर्स दिए गए हैं. यू कैन प्ले, पॉज, आंसर कॉल, रिजेक्ट कॉल, नेक्स्ट ट्रैक, प्रीवियस ट्रैक थ्रू द ईयरबड्स इटसेल्फ एक्सेप्ट द वॉल्यूम पार्ट. वॉल्यूम आपको मोबाइल से कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. सो ये तो बात हो गई डिज़ाइन की और टच कंट्रोल्स की. एंड अगर हम बात करेंगे मुद्दे की, दैट इज साउंड क्वालिटी, बेस क्वालिटी एंड कॉल क्वालिटी. सो साउंड क्वालिटी इसमें काफ़ी अच्छी दी गई है. आप इसको फुल वॉल्यूम पे सुन सकते हैं. काफ़ी लाउड साउंड दिया गया है और क्लियर साउंड दिया गया है. साउंड को लेकर मुझे ऐसे जितना इशू नहीं लगा. दे हैव गिवन अ गुड क्लियर साउंड विद दिस वन. एंड बेस भी इसमें अच्छा खासा पावरफुल दिया गया है. बहुत ही पावरफुल पंचिंग नहीं है, but they have given a good amount of powerful bass considering the price range. And calling में मुझे कोई इशू नहीं लगा. they have given CVC noise cancellation feature, dual mic दिया गया है. कॉलिंग काफ़ी अच्छे से वर्क करती है. सामने वाला आपको क्लियरली सुन पाएगा. बहुत ही ना के बराबर बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ गई, बट दैट इज कंसिडरेबल एट दिस प्राइस. एंड अगर हम रेटिंग्स देंगे साउंड क्वालिटी, बेस क्वालिटी और कॉल क्वालिटी को, सो मैं साउंड क्वालिटी को दूंगा 4.3 आउट ऑफ 5, मैं बेस क्वालिटी को दूंगा 4 आउट ऑफ 5 एंड मैं कॉल क्वालिटी को दूंगा 4.1 आउट ऑफ 5. So these are the ratings according to my personal experience, and the price of this earbuds, that is approximately 2300 rupees only. So अगर आपको एक अच्छी खासी क्वालिटी का earbuds चाहिए with a good quality, good design, good sound quality, decent bass quality and a good call quality, you can definitely grab this one at 2300 rupees. I'm also leaving the link in the description part below. You can click from there and buy it from there as well. And if you have any question regarding this earbuds, you can leave me in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with that. So this was all about the unboxing, reviews and ratings of the recently launched Lenovo HT06 True Wireless earbuds. Hope you like this one, and as I told you, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, hit the like button, comment, share as much as possible so we can make more good stuff for you all. So thank you for watching this one, and see you in the next video. Thank you.